here. Let's go. Good morning, everyone. It is technically day 2 here in Jeju. We are over here staying at the Stay guest house, and just look at this backyard. It is so cute. The sun is out. We are very, very excited. Over 24 hours ago, we hopped on a bus, took an overnight bus all the way down to the southern tip of South Korea, and then we hopped on a ferry and rode about 4-ish hours over to Jeju. Today is our first full day on the island, and I'm so excited. Let's go. This waterfall right here. It is so beautiful, but it's kind of an example of the whole like Instagram versus reality. There's just like no perfect picture that you can get without anyone being in the picture. Everyone has the same idea as us. They want to go and they want to take a beautiful picture, the perfect picture of the waterfalls. But regardless of all the people, it's still really beautiful. It feels so good and it smells fresh. That probably sounds so weird, but it smells so nice. And the water is a little bit cool, so it's like coming up and like cooling you off. But also check out this beautiful view. Just look at that. It's so stunning here. I'm so happy. The sun is out and I'm with some really cool people, and it's just been a good day so far. What goes down must come back up. Oh, the hair. I give up. It has a mind of its own. Almost there.